Hey, what's going on, guys? Cisco here.
And Amanda, we're here at Yosemite National Park.
Very excited today. We're back at one of my favorite places. That's right, I said back because we've been here about 3 months ago for my birthday. However, the opportunity came up to come back and I couldn't pass it up. So that gave me the idea. Today I'm gonna go over top 3 reasons why you should visit Yosemite more than once. Point number 1, first time visiting Yosemite can be a bit confusing, navigating the roads, maps, shuttle schedules. But the second time around, it's good to have some background knowledge, helps to navigate a lot more efficiently, get to see more spots.
Exactly, guys. The first time we came, I made a U-turn and went the wrong way twice, trying to figure out which way to go and how to get to the hotel. But finally we got it this time around. It was much more smoother ride and able to enjoy the scenery much better.
So if we're not good at having a sense of direction or navigating paper maps, I recommend bringing a GPS. And forget about relying on cell phone signal. Coverage up here is very spotty, if at all. Point number 2, once you get the big touristy locations out of the way, you can really start searching for some new spots, such as this amazing bridge.
Yeah, once you get familiarized with the map, you can enjoy the scenery much better.
And point number 3. Another reason to come back to Yosemite is you get to invite other people, build some new memories, just like we did today.
We came with our friend Matt, Melissa, and little Silas. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was definitely the hikes. The scenery is amazing. And the visitor center is probably one of the best visitor centers I've ever been to. We've traveled to most of the national parks in California, and this is one of the best visitor centers by far.
Yeah, great. So the view is stunning. For family things, you could do a lot. I guess we're in the snow right now in March. Our kids love water, so there's a lot of waterfalls around here. So definitely, that's a plus for us.
So if you didn't need any more reasons, there's top 3 reasons why you should come to Yosemite more than once.
Till next time, guys.
Bye.
Hope this video inspires you to get out and discover. Bye.